Assalamualaikum, Miss. I'm Khatun Rupain Estifamida from Malaysian Economy. We have Susan primary sector, which is Malaysian versus Thailand's palm oil sector. Now I'm going to present about Malaysian palm oil sector, and my friend will present about Thailand's palm oil sector. So let's get started. Introduction. One of the Malaysia's primary sector is palm oil, accounting for the majority of the country's agricultural section. Malaysia is one of the world's most prominent manufacturer of palm oil and the world's second largest manufacturer. Malaysia is undergoing rapid improvement in the cultivation of palm oil, and the value of palm oil is enormous to the economies of Malaysia. Malaysia exports palm oil around 160 various countries, and the worldwide palm oil industry is controlled only by two nations, one of which is Malaysia. Next, impact of Malaysian palm oil sector. Environmental impacts. The location on which the palm oil is planted or suited was longly forested, and majority of its land has been turned into palm oil. Because of this, various shareholders' perception regarding palm oil's environmental implications vary depending on their position and amount of reliance on resources of wildlife. As an instance, air population was regarded as an issue by a higher number of insufficient labor as well as individual farmers. Socioeconomic impacts. The most significant positive effects on workers' livelihoods were primarily associated with higher revenue as a better living environment. Within the agricultural compound, all workers are supplied given free accommodation, drinking water, power, financial and medical coverage, and basic necessities, with the kind of residential varying according to the individual employees level. Next, development of Malaysian palm oil sector. The palm oil sector gave birth to a new era in the country's economy. The palm oil sector is reportedly the fourth biggest provider toward Malaysian economic development. The palm oil sector as the leading producer, bringing wealth to the country while also serving as an effective instrument for poverty reduction, providing jobs, giving a good living, building infrastructure plans, and improvement of social security. One of the development is palm oil had significantly led to the development of innovative new agricultural policies which have increased agricultural output. Next, contribution of Malaysian palm oil sector. The Malaysian palm oil sector had made significant contributions when it's come to export profits, work, R&D, development, and most importantly, the socio-economic position among cultivator and the landless people or small farmers. The palm oil sector had also constantly contributed to reducing poverty as well as shrinking of revenue disparity among both village and urban population, and the creation of rustic neighborhoods in which employees live and enjoy a high standard of living with sufficient welfare systems like accommodation, wellness, as well as cultural opportunity. Next, challenges of Malaysian palm oil sector. Small and uneconomic landholding is one of the major challenges of Malaysian palm oil industry. Malaysia palm oil sector is subordinated by three main names such as private enterprise, organized small farmers, and individual smallholders. Next, neighboring nations' competitiveness. The Malaysian palm oil business sector is facing rising competition by foreign nations such as Thailand and Indonesia, primarily over manufacturing cost. Next, the labor crisis and restriction of machinization. Malaysia's palm oil sector still seems to be heavily reliant on overseas workers, and all those overseas employees within the agricultural region causes social unrest among the local and raise the national crime value. And they don't have the training, they don't have the knowledge about palm oil sector. When they come to work, there is many other consequences. And the last one is land crisis for development. Malaysia remained the leading world's largest exporter of palm oil until 1960, and that is caused by the lack of suitable land for expanding. After that, it was overtaken by the Indonesia. Recommendation for Malaysian palm oil sector. Okay, first of all, I recommend Malaysian palm oil sector must focus upon its downstream industry as a way to address issues such as a limited land for expansion, scarcity and inexpensive labor, and increased rivalry from several other exporting regions from unrefined palm oil. That's all about Malaysian palm oil sector on those topics. Thank you, Miss.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Miss Ain Farha and my fellow friends. Today I would like to present about the palm oil sector of Thailand. Thailand is the third giant manufacturer of palm oil in the world, despite the fact that this only contributes 3% of the world manufacturing. Thailand government was established a financial plan in 2005 to grow oil palm supply by giving less interest credit to farmers, mills and facilities. Impacts of Thailand palm oil sector. The first is environment impacts. Thai oil palm industry has had certain negative ecological effects. Second is peatland under whiskey. The best regular concept of the palm oil industry is the augmentation of investment. The last is socio-economic impacts. One of economic impacts Thai palm oil creation as it is immediate pessimistic impact on food security. Challenge of Thailand palm oil sector. First is more unassuming cultivators, more prominenters, which is mean Thailand has more than 200,000 restricted extension oil palm cultivators who make up a large portion of the business. Second is RSPO. RSPO stand for Notable on Sustainable Palm Oil Certificate. A significant challenge for the Thai palm oil area in accomplishing the RSPO certificate is the incorporation of its enormous number of smallholders. Contribution Thailand palm oil sector in the world is Thailand palm oil sector contribute to economic growth as well as social of the country. Second is Thailand palm oil sector also contribute to decreasing poverty. Small and medium size business contribute to producing a large proportion of palm oil goods. Thailand's trying to expand export, which is not just contribute increase to food availability, also serve as a possible answer to the country's rising national power. Next is development Thailand's palm oil sector. The national oil palm range and treatment facilities are discovered for the most part in the south, where the environment is more appropriate of development. Thailand palm oil industry is overwhelmed by smallholders like Chimtong, who oversee more than 70% countries. The development in the new estate region has been essential for the Thai government's need to support the business and certify the country's need for the electric energy, specifically Thailand biodiesel industry. Last but not least, recommendation for Thailand's palm oil sector is that palm oil has had the ability to promote economic growth, which helps a diverse group of individuals working in the Thailand's industry. Thailand palm oil industry provide for more equitable in distribution for revenues than the in nation where some large business exists in the industry as well as individual ownership of land is restricted. The last is conclusion. From the impact of the Thailand's palm oil industry, we get to know that there are peatland under whiskey, and they have positive and negative impact on environmental impact and socio-economic issues. Thailand's palm oil industry doesn't confront a similar global pricing factor to identify with natural concern. The development in new eastern region has been essential for the Thai government's technique is to support the business and certifies the country needs to electric energy, which is specifically Thailand's biodiesel industry has to utilization of homegrown palm oil develop more percent in the world. So that's all. Thank you.